Yeah, I'm I guess, the founder of this particular Congress, the World Business Capability Congress, and the director of the Centre for Organisational Excellence Research in New Zealand. The first World Business Capability Congress anywhere in the world. We've married together a number of different international events into this Congress, and this is why I think it's been so appealing to delegates. The motivation is quite easy, really. It's just that we really want to help organisations to improve, and I think there's a lack of, events or opportunities for organisations to share experiences, to share best practices, and also a Congress like this helps organisations and people to become more motivated of what they do in their everyday job through, talking about what they do, maybe finding new contacts in other organisations who perhaps can provide some new insights into their job and how to improve their performance on their job. I'm not sure they're giving away that much IP to be honest. I mean, it's not really telling that maybe some secret technical details in terms of how they've developed their product. It's more about telling or informing other organisations about maybe some of their support processes that they have, which are common across many different organisations, but sharing with these other organisations how, in particular, that they've deployed these practices, because often organisations are very good in terms of planning what they want to do, but not so good in terms of deployment. It's aimed to be a fun competition. Organisations just submit a very simple sort of entry form. We assess them. Those organisations which we think meet a particular standard are then invited to give an 8-minute presentation at the Congress. And there they just share their best practice. It could be on leadership, customer focus, how they manage the supply chain, whatever it is, they share it. That's then assessed. It's assessed in terms of how innovative that practice is, the level of deployment of that practice, and the results being achieved as a result of that practice. I think it will make a tremendous impact on New Zealand businesses. I mean, because as I say, there's very little opportunity for this extent of sharing that's happening here. It's not only just sharing about the practices. We've also had some great presentations from people here who are responsible for sort of national programs on how to engage businesses in business excellence, in benchmarking, and so it can also help to assist the government in terms of some of the policies and interventions that they put in place to help businesses to improve. So it's not just about helping individual organisations, helping individual people to do better in their jobs. It's also about looking at the strategy of countries themselves in terms of how to engage businesses. Fantastic support, overwhelming really positive response from all the organisations we approached. I mean, to organise something like this has taken us 1.5 years, and each organisation we've approached, whether it's the Ministry of Business Innovation and Employment, or ATED, Auckland Tourism, Events and Economic Development, straight away they said, yeah, this is the sort of thing we want to get behind. And they've not just got behind in terms of money, they've got behind in terms of ideas and in terms of scoping the whole programme. We've got speakers from over 24 countries around the world. We've got speakers primarily from businesses, so 77% of the speakers are from businesses, 25% are from academia. So we can also get some research input into what's happening around the world. We've got organisations, major organisations like Tata Power from India, major corporates from Singapore like OCBC Bank. We've got the major corporates obviously from New Zealand, from the New Zealand Defence Force to organisations like ACC, from Vero Insurance, so Fonterra. So yeah, everybody's here.